Alright, welcome back to part 2 of the chess series. This is part 2. Today we're going to be making the rook. Without further ado, let's begin. Alright, let's begin. We're gonna begin from the file we did earlier for the pawn. So if you haven't done it, you can feel free to go watch the part earlier and come back, since we're gonna use the same material for the pawn. So anyways, let's begin. So first, let's move this. So let's select both our pawn and the image. Look from front view and move it to the side like this. Now we're gonna do the usual. Try to put the rook in the center like this. Okay. So now we're gonna add a cylinder right here. Actually, let's go to solid view right here. It's much better for modeling. It hurts your eyes when it's kind of too white, so yeah, okay. So let's adjust right here. I feel like it's a little much to the right, okay. Okay, this looks good. Let's scale it down. Move it up like this. Okay, looking good. Let's scale it a little bit more down. Okay, perfect. So let's go into edit mode, select the top face, and now we can begin. So first, let's extrude, scale, extrude, and scale. So this is the bottom base, and then we can do it again, extrude, scale. Keep going. This actually is going to be the same thing as the pawn, so you just press E and S, except for the last part where we make it kind of spiky at the top. Alright, anyways, let's keep going. Alright, let's keep going. Okay, now we're the bottom half is done. So let's do the upper half. Extrude, scale, extrude, scale. Okay, actually right here, let's see right here. Let's move it down, extrude it, scale it. Okay, we're gonna try to make it curved like this. Okay, now let's do it for over here as well. Extrude, scale, extrude, scale. Let's move it up a little bit. Okay, extrude, scale, extrude, scale. Yeah, we're just gonna keep repeating this. Okay, right here. Okay, right here. Just extrude and scale a little bit. Right here, same thing. Okay. Okay, you're almost there. So E, S. Okay. Alright, almost there, guys. E, S, E, S. Extrude, scale, extrude, scale. Alright, right part. This part is the important part. So you see this ridged part, it ridges down like this. You want to extrude it up till it's right here, so till it hits the bottom of the ridge. Then you're gonna scale it for it to fit right here. Okay, so now this is where we're gonna begin. So first, let's actually inset. So press I, and there we go. And let's look from front view. And it's actually a coincidence, but the setting that we added in, the one ridge right here thing, this thing extruding out, is actually six of the segments of the resolution of the cylinder. I think I made it a little bit hard to understand. Basically, it's 6 of these, as you can see right here. So let's select it, the top right here, like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do a check, make sure it's the right one. Okay, this is amazing. So now you can skip 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then skip 1. Now, actually, let's select the opposite first, because it gets a little bit confusing. Oh, okay, so it actually skips 2. Yeah, okay, it skips 2. So you can also do over here. So now it skips 2 and selects 6. Let's look, take another check. Okay, this looks good. So now you can press E to extrude. Okay, so press E to extrude. Then what you're gonna do is scale it first so that it's in place like this, and you're done. This is good. But now I like to do a little thing. I change this to individual origins, so like right here, and then scale it to make it a little bit bigger. It looks a little bit better. And last thing, let's add a subdivision surface modifier. And now we're gonna loop cut, bring it down, bring it up. This is the first one. Okay, loop cut, bring it down and bring it up. This one as well, bring it down, bring it up, bring it down, bring it up. Okay, let's keep going. So now we have this one on this side. Bring it to the side, bring it to the inside. Okay, let's see what else we got. Oh yeah, right. We got to inset this interface, so select it and press I. There we go. And now the bottom one as well. So inset and then slide it to the outside, click, amazing. And then also right here, loop cut, and then there we go. So there's the Rook, amazing. So let's shade smooth for some final touches. And let's go to material preview and transfer over the material of the pawn to the Rook. Click right here and select the one that you want. In this case is this one. And there you go. Amazing. Okay. So that is it for this video. Part 3 would probably be on Friday. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on the next part. Bye bye.